This recording is going to show you how to add a table, which you've seen a couple examples. That's what the people who are adding calendars to the pages, that's how they're doing, is by creating a table. And then I'm also going to show you how to embed those Canvas assignments, projects, pages into that table if you are trying to create that calendar page like what you've seen in the math department. So the first thing that you'll do is go over here on the left-hand side and you're going to choose pages. We're going to go ahead and hit View All Pages. And obviously we want to go ahead and add a new page, top right corner. So right here, if you are wanting to mimic it like a calendar, you would type in March calendar. Down here, if you wanted to put the unit, or you could just put March 2018. And here we go. We are going to choose our little table friend here. A couple different things you could do. You can go this route. So if you want to do 5 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then we could go ahead and do 4 weeks. Go ahead and do that. So now we're just going to simply go through, excuse me on that one, and we're going to type in the various days. If you need to add a week, you can do that down here. You just scroll over them, insert a row before or after. As you can see, I'm definitely going to need to go ahead and add a row below that. If you want to get rid of your table completely, we can do that there. Table properties is where we would probably want to go next. And if you're wanting to see that physical border in between your different cells, which you're obviously going to want to do, we're just going to put a 1 there to represent that. I like nice center alignment. And then we're going to choose OK. So now we see that natural border there. A couple different things. We could go ahead and put in the dates for each day. And hopefully I'm putting in these dates correctly. If these dates are incorrect, I apologize. It is 2 days before spring break, and so my brain has already stopped functioning at this point. Okay, so as every teacher knows here, we're going to go ahead and write in spring break. And you can see that the table is going to automatically adjust, which is really nice. A couple things I'll show you here in just a second in terms of spacing. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look. We're at that Monday after spring break. We are ready to kind of put some things into this. And the neat part about this is that anything that you already have in Canvas, whether it is a quiz, whether it is an assignment, whether it is a discussion, if it is a file, you can embed those things directly in here. So for example, let's say that I wanted to go ahead and put one of the pages that I was referring to earlier. Let's say that they're going to do 6.8 graphing radicals. Over here on the right-hand side where it says links, all of these things are things that you already have in Canvas. So we're going to choose graphing radicals. Now when the student looks at their March calendar, they can click directly on this link and it's going to take them to that 6.8 graphing radicals page. Let's say that at the end of the class, I need them to take a quiz. So over here on the right-hand side, I've got all my quizzes that are currently in this course, and I'm going to click on whatever quiz needs to go there. And I'm just going to choose unnamed quiz, just to prove a point. So the good thing about this is that we talk about things being student-friendly. If I'm a student in this course and I'm absent on the 19th, I go to my March calendar, I can click on that 6.8 radicals page, and it is very clearly outlined what I missed, along with a video tutorial of how to complete a practice problem. There is another video tutorial, so now I've got 2 examples where the teacher has walked me through step by step. And of course, more than likely, there would also be some sort of written expression in this had the student been in class. So you and I understand that they would need to follow up with a teacher to get maybe what that handout was. As stated earlier, you could also embed files directly in this. So let's take a look here. If I don't have a page, I haven't put anything quizzes wise, we can go over here to files and you could upload a PowerPoint. We would come right down here and choose upload a new file. You would choose that file from your computer, wherever that might be, and we're going to hit upload, and then that file is going to show up in that cell. So as you can see, it's really not that difficult to do. And then of course, semester to semester, you're really looking just changing some dates and the month name, but actually your lessons would probably stay on pace and stay the same. So let me know if you have any questions.